everybody. You know who it is. It's us again. Adventures with the Chrismans. On today's episode of Adventures with the Chrismans, we are doing another cabin build edition. This will be the final video for the cabin build. Pretty much everything has been done this point. You guys just, if you're watching in the series, you just watched us put up all the interior walls, bring over the outhouse, get the doorknob in, a few other random things. But today, we are going to finish the outhouse and we are going to finish the trim on the cabin, and then she will be done. All right, so stay tuned for all the fun. You look out here and watch the deer and the...
We're gonna go set up camp because we're camping.
This is crazy large.
Yeah.
I wrote this. I wrote it. Yeah. Yeah, no.
Okay, now we need to fix this door because these have all come off, so we need to take this basically all the way off, and then we need to fix these hinges.
Not the hinges, the door, basically.
These, we should almost just build a new door, you know what? Yeah, but it'd be nice to keep the old one too.
Only needs to come up to there, and then it'll be good.
Yeah, it needs to be fixed, so we'll see if we can get it.
Yeah, there's a window for this.
Yeah, I know.
It's awesome.
That's cool, huh?
There's a mouse. It's in there. Mouse. Okay.
We'll get it. Set a trap on for it. Go in the cabin and grab a trap. Here, can you hold the side of the door so that...
Carson and Chris just went that way. Are they okay to wander? Just take it off and glue it together or what?
No, this board needs to be hooked on that board. Woo! You can pop it right off and set it right on the ground right there. There it is. Those didn't want to come out, babe?
They're working on something for someone's birthday tomorrow.
Oh, baby.
Whose birthday tomorrow?
Your dad's birthday.
Whose birthday is it?
You gotta see if I need anything.
Whoa,
Make
he's
your
going to
cake
be an old guy. Here you go, hold on that.
I don't think I need anything.
Here you go.
Just wait till you
Yep,
die.
June 11th, tomorrow. Today is what, the 10th, babe? Today's the 10th, and tomorrow is my birthday. So I will turn 33. Right?
I already
33 tomorrow.
have something in mind. Mom,
You do? What do you have in mind?
I can't tell you.
Oh, man.
Tell me later. He'll definitely hear you. You can see something. No, he'll hear. He's got ears like a
Nope. That's not the right one.
rabbit.
Got ears like an antelope. Let's set these right inside the door. Right there. Okay.
Make sure.
Yep, just leave them right there. Now let's fix the door.
Now it's
Okay, we'll
that
turn
back
this so that
thing.
this can see.
You have to move it. You're not gonna move it.
Castle, it's okay, buddy.
You're not gonna
Just tell him to stay out. Go back.
stay out. Stay out. Can we fix that?
Here, kick this door on the outside right there. Kick it towards me. Yep, just like that. Keep going. Kick it, kick it, kick it. There you go. Now let's do this one. I think we can do this. Lay that right down.
On the ground?
On the ground, yep. It's fine. So we'll plan on going for another hike next week, Castle, as long as you're up to training this week. Yeah? Yeah, you are?
No, he's got testing this week, so we'll see how much time.
Testing.
Mm-hmm. Go ahead, Lana.
Press the button down. Don't just let go of it, okay?
Okay, I'm listening. What you need?
Are you losing resistance?
No, I don't think so.
All right. Is it better? All right, Cass, come hold onto this for me, would you? You can make anything into a door. A door is just something that opens and closes.
We were thinking of the same thing. Oh, it moved. Oh, it's
You need to find a rock or a tree or something to flatten this out on. Okay. Beautiful. Much straighter. All right, now comes the hard part.
how is it the Christmas there?
How old? Well, I'm gonna be 33 tomorrow, and since Uncle Christian's 2 years older than me, so he's 35.
Soon, or did it
Soon I'll be 35.
his birthday already? Did his birthday already come? Or was it now?
Come to the other side of the door. Hold it. Hold it. So look. Hold it so there's pressure going this way. Right there. Not too much pressure, just a little bit.
Is that much?
Well, as long as it doesn't move, then yeah. But if it moves. See it?
That's better. That's better. Yay!
Yep, it works.
Finally.
Yep, it is.
Yay! I found it.
It's pretty cool. Okay, hold on. Yeah, it is. Let's freaking go. Okay, now if we come in the bathroom, and we shut the door. Freaking works, bro. Now we need to do a toilet seat.
Or we need to put the mouse trap out, then
Okay, what we did is we had to reinforce this toilet before we could put this toilet seat in because there was some boards that were pretty bad. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut one more piece and then we are good to go for this toilet seat. Right, Cass?
Right.
All right, here we go. Let's try this. Perfect. Okay. There we go, buddy. What do you think?
Good. Now we're all done?
Yeah, that's all we needed.
Okay. Want me to shut the video off or no?
They both work.
Works.
Beautiful.
Let's go.
Wow. We got her. She's working. We just put the little window in here, which is freaking awesome. I'll show that to you here. And we got the door working. We got the toilet in. Woo, baby. Working good. Now Castle's just going to get a broom and sweep stuff out. Love it. There she is. Hello, Mr. Window. Beautiful. We made it out. This is what we're working on. Taking this old chimney down, causing leakage, and we're gonna put the new chimney up. Lana, you need the vacuum battery. Battery. Now, I need to take out all of these. Now, I need to take out all of these screws because they'll work on the new stuff. Yeah, it's interesting to think about that. This will be my last cabin build video. And that this will be all done. It's been a little over a year process. Getting this done. Thankful that I've been able to have the opportunity, the resources, and the finances to put something like this together. A lot of fun. Oh, the new stuff. Let's go. This stuff is always a pain in the tuchus to try and put together. Oh my gosh, it's a freaking miracle. Oh, I got it in. Oh my gosh. Wow.
Battery's dead.
How's it looking in there?
Good.
Good? Wonderful.
Here's your battery.
Thank you.
It was all the way up here.
Were you able to finish?
Most of it. I couldn't
Here
get
you go.
the carpenter ants work, but that's it.
Okay, do that right there. Oh, there we are. We are out at the cabin for the very last time. It's crazy. This is going to end our cabin build series. This has been a learning experience, a lot of fun, a lot of hours, a lot of money, a lot of time, a lot of effort, a lot of energy. And it pains me to say we are actually leaving this property. We sold the house and the cabin is on the property with the house. So all of this is going away, which the Lord is doing some crazy things. So unfortunately, we will no longer be doing any more cabin build videos because number one, the cabin is done. And number two, we're on to different and greater things, I guess. So you guys want to say anything?
It was fun. We made some good memories.
Yeah, it was fun. We made some good memories.
I'm gonna miss the cabin, but that's okay.
Yep, we'll have fun anyways. So
I'm gonna miss the house.
yeah, we will. We'll miss the house and the cabin, but we have very much enjoyed it. We've played hard, we've loved well, and put a lot of upgrades into everything, including the cabin. So thanks for coming along with us, guys. It's been a pleasure to have you along in this cabin build series. This has been Adventures with the Chrismans. We'll see ya until the next cabin build.